Not my street. This way.
Excuse me.
Keep walking, dear. Eyes front. You have forward, 9 o'clock.
I was wondering if you could help me. I'm lost.
No excuses for bad navigation. A bird that gets lost on his way doesn't deserve his wing. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
Well, I got lost on foot. I don't know how to fly yet.
Ah, infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him, give him his marching orders.
Ah, there you have it. We're geese, migrants, you know, birds of passage. Run a tight fleet. Would it do for us to get lost on our way, what?
Well, dear, there's that time when we end up in the Wayward Islands.
Ah, Windward, dear. Windward Islands. And that was a different matter entirely. Weak thermals, strong headwinds, blown off course.
So how come my sister managed to get to Fort Lauderdale?
Yes, quite.
Where were you trying to get to?
I was trying to get back to the lake so I can find my mom. I think I saw some ducks flying over in that direction.
Oh, well, if you did, it was probably their last flying mission, what?
What do you mean?
Haven't you heard the ground tear? Bang, bang, pop, pop, what?
No.
Well, there's a shoot on the map here. It's very dangerous.
What's this shoot?
Well, it's people spot. One group of men move through the map, scanning duck into the air, while a second group with guns shoot them out there again.
Oh, the cat warned me about people.
The cat?
Yeah, the cat. I had lunch with him.
Huh. Parents probably wants to get rid of the ugly lotter.
Well, he said he was my friend.
You didn't want a friend like that, dear.
The enemy. Nasty piece of work. Pull your wishbone up soon as look at you.
But he said he was my friend.
You don't want a friend like that? Your mom will right to warn you.
She was?
Gun dogs. They're beginning to shoot again. Oh, I hope the end comes this. Time for maneuvers. Alright, at ease. Company, fall in! I didn't mean literally. Alright, up we go. Eyes front. Let's have a look at you. Barnacles, barnacles. When I said eyes front, I hope your body had been facing in a similar direction.
Sorry, Commander.
Bigfoot, you've trodden in something. How many times have I told you to mind your own business? See to it. Snowy? Oh, never mind. Alright, at ease. As you are well, we have been given orders to embark on a delicate, not to say dangerous, mission.
Not it. Darn it.
Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
Here we go! Wait. Translation done.
The duckling lost his mom. Bless him. And we are going to find her.
If that's what he meant, why did he just say so?
You can always tell a pompous goose by its pigeon English.
Alright, attention! As you are aware, we have been given orders to take part in an exercise the likes of which we have never faced before. You are a fine body of men, and I have the utmost faith that you will give of your very best. Good luck, men! We're off on the wild goose chase. We believe those three dreams the sun will show no fear.
We are, and no matter where we roam, all those my boggle is good, those boggle you sure to fire.
Runways clear, prepare for take-off, dear. We must play our part.
Honk again, I fear it's coming like a rather deep.
Shocks away, our display must start. We're off on the wild goose chase, and a simple mission position the weather of your farm. We're off in the west, we'll blow into kingdom come. navigate.
That was a word better.
We're off on a wild goose chase. It's a thankless task, but we ask who can do it as well as we. We're off to solve this problem. For what could be grander than having a grander for railroad missing ducks? Excuse me, sir. I hear something. Catches a victim in the rear.
What? I think we've spoken on the subject of your spectacles before, Barnacles. Get in church. Cattails do not have rights. They are most known for being rooted firmly in flesh.
Oh, Ducky, thought I'd lost you.
Stand back, or I'll peck.
Oh, I'm scared.
What are you doing here?
I've come to take you home. Your mother's been carrying on something dreadful.
My mother? You see my mother?
Yes, she sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my company is taking special charge of the duckling secretary and his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the party's over.
Yeah, it's their party, but we'll fly if we want to. Do you get it?
Silence in the ranks.
It was a little joke.
Anyways, I think I could be of a little assistance. I will go over to the chute and I will tell you when they are done packing for the day.
Very well. No funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase. You may think it odds that a straw such as I can perform the role. We're off, and we'll prove that's not the case.
Boy, yak at the center, quack quack, and then return to base. Company present paper. Company present comb. We are about to embark on our most perilous mission to date. I need hardly tell you of the risks involved or the ultimate price we may have to pay. As we fly on to glory, I want you to know how very proud I am of you men. Keep a step on my feet, and remember our motto, Semper Victoria, non pate de foie gras.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dow. I'm your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Redland, I would like to welcome you this afternoon flight from boggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 0 feet and flying in the rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of emergency landing, we ask that you observe the to see and we have been watched so many times before. We hope that you have a pleasant journey. Thank you for choosing good days. The fluffy skies!
We're off to ensure this duckling is not so long. We won't be back until we found they're done for the day.
Do you swear?
On one of my lives.
Good. All right, men. Final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
Whoa, for me?
You didn't think I was going to leave you alone with the duckling, did you? Oh no, Puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.
All wings
Are spread, so don't